Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy and this is free audit of the website comforthskin.com. I love that your above the fold on homepage is nicely optimized. You show your product here with a link to buy, which is perfect, and you tell about the benefits. So goodbye dirty skin. So obviously this is for a clean skin. Really nice. I noticed that your logo is here. It's the same as on the bottle, which builds trust. I would optimize it to make it a little bit more visible. You can add a panel, so it is a backdrop, so the logo is a little bit visible because it kind of disappears in this busy background. So think about how to optimize this area a little bit better without losing those key elements from the above the fold. However, to emphasize the design a little bit better, but the menu is here. Also, it's kind of really difficult to read, especially against those busy images. Perhaps a different image that isn't that busy will work better for your conversion, for user experience. So think about maybe changing the image will be a better solution here. Okay, so you guarantee that there's a crystal clear skin in 3 weeks. So that's perfect. It's really appealing to me. I've always had problems with skin. So this is microdermabrasion is definitely something that I need to do quite often. So I like that you have got this kind of solution here. Okay, so this is nice. Olive blackhead problems for good. Minimize appearance of pores. Okay, so this is really appealing. Definitely appealing for a lot of people with oily skin or combination skin, and so on. Okay, so yes, I understand. So this is this vacuum 5-in-1 vacuum for the skin. I think I've seen it on Facebook. It's kind of sucking all the mucus and all the dirt of the skin from the skin. Okay, so this is really nice. I think I understand how it works. Um, because there's a lot of guys, this is brand new product, I would add maybe like a video showing, like a short video, like few-second video showing, how to use it, how it works, and obviously before and after images. So this kind of video explaining and educating people will definitely help you with your conversion rate. Okay, 90 day 90-day money back guarantee. Okay, that's great. So that's quite reassuring as well. It's quite a good price actually, Comforth cleanser. So this is your own product, I understand. You have either produced it or you licensed it, but it is really appealing. It looks really authentic, and the price is also very appealing. So this is really nicely organized homepage, but all I'm missing is just video of how it works, because I feel like if I wanted to buy it for myself, I've tried so many different products and solutions. I would really want to see how to use it and why it actually works. Okay, but you've got footer navigation, which is great, very user friendly. 5%, I mean, it's like, is it really that appealing? 5%. I always say don't offer anything below 10% because it is not appealing at all. Go for 20% for people to share their details with you, to subscribe and so on, because 10% is like it's really a minimum, a bare minimum for someone to really want to share their details. Okay, a product page looks great. I like that you're showing here how it works, what kind of difference it makes. So it clears all of those blackheads, which is fantastic. I would definitely add it on the home page. People would love to see this content, so don't hide it, as it definitely can improve your conversion rate. Okay, but it's nicely organized product page. You've got add to cart above default, so that's really important. You keep the website scheme or the website color scheme in the same kind of consistent color theme, which is fantastic. Okay, your FAQ question has got more answers as to how it works, which is really useful. That's perfect. Your shipping page is very user-friendly. You explain that it's obviously free shipping worldwide, how long it takes to each location, which is absolutely fantastic. You offer tracking as well, so that's absolutely perfect. You offer a 100-day policy, so that's really, really fantastic. And obviously, you offer this 90-day um, guarantee, so that's also good. What you've got professional email address, so that's good. I would also hyperlink it. Make sure to change the color of this hyperlink because as you see it disappears on the highlight. So change, for example, to gold or yellow. That will go with your website theme, but won't affect your user experience. Your SEO score is 48 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. Your meta title and meta description, so it's Google snippet, needs optimization. I mean, it's really nicely optimized, but it's a little bit too long, so make sure not to cross over 165 characters. You don't need to repeat the title, the brand title twice in meta title. Um, when it comes to heading tags, you've got H1 tag, but it should be at the top. And make sure to use the tags in the right order. So start with H1, then H2, H3, and so on. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you would like to ask our Shopify expert any questions about anything that I mentioned in this audit, book your free chat now. It's a 15-minute non-obligation chat. You can ask a Shopify expert any questions about how to optimize your website, how to improve it for conversion, and how to drive more free traffic. So don't miss this opportunity. Book the free chat now. Thank you so much for your time. It was Monkey from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.